So over the past 18 months, I've gone from making $0 with AI to now having made over 2 million across my various AI businesses.
That's a bold claim, and I'm new to this channel. I'm not going to judge anything or anyone. I will just do my due diligence using ChatGPT and my custom chatbot, and then I will report back to you. On the second thought, why not? I do it live in front of you. Oh yes, my name is Mosh Bari. I'm a digital entrepreneur. I have 3 cameras in the studio. Well, that's not relevant. I'm kind of showing off, guys. Just wanted to get your attention. Yes, my company's made over $10 million selling digital products online. And if you want to learn how we do it using AI and completely free traffic without a product, without selling, shipping, and paying $0 on paid advertisement. Our beginner students just like you earn high-ticket affiliate commissions just like this, and how we paid over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to over 2,000 affiliates who promoted our products. Then check the free training in the link in the description. This free training will give you a complete free step-by-step details of what we do and how we do, and how we help beginners just like you to make passive affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system. You can check the training anytime from the link in the description. Okay, I'm done with shameless self-advert. Now let's get back to the video. My chatbot is asking for the link to the video, so I'm gonna right-click, copy video URL, put it right here, Control V, and click this black up arrow button. Now ChatGPT wants the full transcript with timestamp. I've copied the whole thing, Control V, and click this black up arrow button again. Now AI is doing its magic. It's writing the summary. Now I know step by step what's inside the video without even watching it. The whole business model in just 20 words. This way I can save my time, and I'll move on if the video doesn't resonate with me or my audience. My custom chatbot also wrote an SOP, or standard operating procedure, for the business model. So if I want to do the same business, I simply need to follow these 4 steps. The 3-step process in this video. And all the money is in the 4th one, called O. A for acquire AI building skills, I for innovate, M for market, and O, I will tell you later. Keep watching. But honestly guys, after starting this, I didn't find any clue how to start an AI business. So I went back to the video and watched the full video from start to end. And I have to say, what was that? This video was nothing but self-bragging, what you should do vaguely, how big AI is going to be, how jobs will be lost, and some vague statement about what you should do about it. Basically asking you to click the links in the description. That will first take you to his school group. And yes, he has 31,000 members. I'm gonna join the group and see what happens. I clicked join the group and my membership is pending. So maybe they will accept and I will enter and see something. And guys, if I find something good here, I will come back and make another video and tell you what's inside the group, whether you should join or not. The next thing is this website. This is basically a short VSL, or a video sales letter. It's trying to sell you something, but in a very, very vague way. There is absolutely nothing specific in this whole video, what he does and how he can help you, or even the target audience for this video is completely vague. The only thing you can get from here is a big pink button where you book a call with them, and this is my assumption, their sales call agents will call you and try to sell you something. And the third link I found is a platform for AI automation agency owners, where you can create your own AI agent. I haven't tried it, probably something great, but this is the kind of thing available everywhere. In fact, what I just used with ChatGPT is also called an AI agent. Now here is the thing, if your business is secret, or you want to keep your business information secret, then you should not use OpenAI or Cloud or ChatGPT directly to operate your business and put your business information in there, because it's going to go to their main database and everyone else can get access to what you are doing with AI, how your business is doing, and people can even find information about your business. This is where this kind of AI agents are useful. What I found interesting here is that it's in the beta phase, so they're giving free access, which also means when you opt in, you give your email to them and they will know you as an agency or AI automation agency owner. Later, they will connect with you and try to sell you something. Now, there is nothing wrong with that. Now, what I want you to do is to look at what they are doing and how they are doing. This guy has chosen a niche called AI, which is pretty new and pretty hypey. Everybody is talking about it, and most people don't know how to use it in order to make money. And he figured that AI automation can be helpful, time saver, and money saver for businesses. And that is enough to attract business owners, because business owners want to save money. And he also knows some people want to learn how to make money. So he created a community, which is very important in order to build and nurture relationships. He studied other people's content, practice, and started making content. And since people are loving it, his content is perfectly working for him. The next thing what he's doing is selling something, and it must be high ticket. It can be starting from $3,000 to way up to $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000. All he has to do is to market using videos, make a group, communicate, and nurture relationships, put them into sales call, and his sales call agents do the rest of the job, which is selling and making money. Nothing bad in that. It's perfect. I'm asking you to learn from him. Last but not least, a real AI platform. Once the beta testing is done, once it's proven to be useful and people are ready to use and they want to build their business on it, he will turn it into a SaaS, or software as a service. People like you and me will pay him monthly or annually to use this platform because we have used it. We have made ourselves used to with this platform. So although the content is vague, there is nothing specific in it. You cannot take any step-by-step information from this video, use it and make big money. But he's selling himself nicely that all of us should do. You, me, everyone. After that, he's creating community, trust, cash flow, and even building recurring business that will serve him and the whole community in the future. Now, here is the biggest one. Once this platform is built and generate a steady recurring income, he can flip the whole business and make tons of money. Guys, this is how to build a business, and you start from scratch. Start from making simple videos like this. Go ahead, do research and find what people are doing, summarize their work, use any AI model or any AI application or platform, analyze their work, write your own script, make your own content, add people to your tribe, learn and sell high ticket offers, build recurring income stream, basically build a real business, and the financial freedom is yours. If you want us to help you, click the link in the description. Or if you're watching this video from my website, then click the link below this video or click the button below this video, wherever it is, and go through the process. Our system is 99% done for you. It's built for beginners, built for 9-to-5ers, and built for small business owners. Go ahead, watch the full training, and we will see you inside. And if you want to learn how to earn $15 per app download, watch this video. And if you want to watch AI Millionaire course review, where a millionaire cloned himself using AI and made millions, then watch this video.